When you get pregnant, your rib cage grows 2 centimeters. Your diaphragm elevates 4 centimeters. By 6 weeks, your blood volume has increased by 15%, which means that every time you stand up, you feel lightheaded and dizzy. And by 34 weeks, your blood volume has increased by 50%, which means you get swelling in places you didn't even know could get swollen. The tissue in your nasal passages becomes edematous, and you have twice as much mucus as you did before. Your center of gravity changes when your uterus grows, which explains why you probably have so much back pain. None of this even begins to touch the mental and emotional aspects of pregnancy. While there are some people who these things don't bother, there are many of us who absolutely hate how we feel when we're pregnant, and that's okay. It doesn't mean that you don't love your baby or that you're not grateful for being pregnant. It just means that you don't like that your diaphragm has raised 4 centimeters and you can't breathe anymore, or that your bladder is so compressed that you have to get up 6 times a night to go to the bathroom, or that you can't even say 3 sentences without having to stop to catch your breath. It's okay to hate how you feel when you're pregnant.